So today we will understand component assignment. What is component assignment? So as you remember, we have created a bill of material. This okay. This is our routing for laptop B14 plant. Now, when you go for component allocation, okay, for alternate long one, here we can see we are assigned plastic runner for this operation number 0010. Okay, we have to see the bill of materials parallelly. I will show you. CM03. Okay, laptop is alternate long one. Okay, so in bill of material we are having plastic runner, box, and all. These are the different components we are having in our bill of material for laptop. Okay, now what is your operation number? What is your first operation? Let me open this also again. CA03. In series 03. Okay. These are their operation. First is laptop body molding. For laptop body molding, what are the raw material we are going to use? We are going to use this plastic runner. Okay. From this plastic runner, it will get molded into the plastic laptop body. Okay. So the body, laptop body molding, this operation is going to require your plastic runner. So this is the component from your finished good material. Okay. This is going to be used for the operation number 0010 plastic molding machine, that is laptop molding. For this operation, we are going to use the component. So if you see in component allocation, okay, here we can see we are assigned operation number 0010 for this component is assigned to operation number 0010. Everybody clear? What is this? Now let us go and do the next operation. Okay. Now let me go back. Now what is the next operation? 0020. This is the drilling of laptop body. So for this, we don't require anything from our BOM. Okay. This plastic runner body is get created as same body. Okay. Will be used further for drilling operation. Okay. Then there is a cutting of PCB. Okay. PCB. So do we have any printed circuit board as a component? No, we don't have any BOM component here as a printed circuit board. So let me create one so that you will understand it. Okay, let me create one plastic circuit board. Okay. Okay. Laptop. PCB for laptop. Okay. It should be mechanical engineering. It should be my average. Okay. Copy from that. Yeah, I'm creating one component only, guys. Okay. And I will add in a BOM. Then we can use it further. Okay. PCB for laptop, this component has been created. So what I will do, I will add this in my bill of material first. Okay. So laptop B14 is my BOM, alternate BOM 1. Okay, so we have added a PCB. Now, what we can do, let us go to for component allocation in CA02. Okay, for laptop, for operation, for go to operation. Now, this is your soldering of PCB. For this operation, which component you are going to require? You require PCB, right? Operation number 40. So, for this, you will do the new assignment. For this component, you will do the new assignment at 0040. Okay, you are going to assign to this. Okay, now if you go to CS 03. Now, what is remaining? Screen and on. So, what is the next operation? Okay, so let us see in this slash A03. Okay. Now, what is operation number 40 was soldering. Next operation is assembly of screen. For operation number 50, you require what you are going to consume. You are going to consume laptop screen, right? So, what you have to do in your component allocation, you will again go to new assignment. You will select this component, new assignment, and operation number 0050. Okay, everybody getting my point? Okay, consume on
Yes, sir.
right? The next operation is what? Assembly of keypad, okay, and laptop, okay. On this laptop keypad, do we have keyboard? We don't have keyboard as a component, okay. We have battery and box. Now, for keypad assembly, we don't have anything. Last operation is assembly of laptop, where we are going to use battery and box, okay. These two components. So operation number 70. So we will select this and this. We will go for new assignment. Operation number 0070. Okay, these two components are going to be used in operation number 70. Okay, and we will save this. So this is the way we can do the component allocation. Are you clear, everyone? Team?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you go to component allocation, it is not reflection, guys, nothing else. Operation. Operation. Okay, component allocation. Bomb routing. So we can see all these components. Okay, first of all, operation number 10, this plastic runner will be. Then 10, 20, 30, same plastic runner component is going to be used. Then they are going to use operation number 40, PCB, printed circuit board. Okay, and then operation number 50, screen will get consumed, and then battery and box will be consumed on operation number 70. Are you clear what we have done over here? What is the component allocation? That's the team. Akshay, Sagar, clear? So, component allocation is what? Are we clear? Yes or no? Both of you.